our dream colleges is Berklee College of Music up in Boston, which we're huge fans of. And one of my personal favorite band, I don't know if it's y'all's too, but is they're called the Wildmans, and it includes two siblings. I think they're twins, or one's older than the other. I'm not sure. Called Eli and Isla.
Yeah.
Wildman. And they're amazing, and they also played a little bit with Victor Furtado. But we saw them in Brevard a couple months ago, and we fell in love with them. And this next song is one of the songs that they did, and we decided to learn it because we loved it so much. It is originally written by Gillian Welch, but we're doing the Wildman's version, and it's called Rock of Ages. Followed by another Wildman's traditional tune. Well,